So here are my mistakes in learning Finnish. Number 1, being too conscious about grammar. So Finnish grammar is very important, but grammar is not everything. Sometimes and most of the time, confidence is the key. So just speak. Number 2, scared of committing mistakes. Tao lang naman tayo guys, di ba? Nagkakamali. So be gentle to yourself and forgive yourself over and over again for committing mistakes. We learn from mistakes, so that's okay. Number 3, listening to others. Ang dami sa paligid natin sinasabing, ang hirap ng Finnish. Ang hirap ng Finnish! Hindi ka pa lang nag-start, puro ang hirap na nang naririnig mo. Talagang mahihirapan ka. You have to decrease the noise and just focus. Don't listen to them. And guys, Finnish lang yan. Pinoy tayo. Kayang-kaya natin to. Number 4, not enjoying the journey. We tend to remember things better when we're having fun. So try to find ways to have fun while learning Finnish. Number 5, overcomplicating and overanalyzing things. Simplihan lang natin guys.